My bushes used to look like this, and I used it as an opportunity to do a DIY yard cleanup project for just $13. It's been 2 years since I maintained these because trimming is expensive, y'all, especially when you're already paying someone else to mow the lawn. And yeah, they definitely got out of control. Here's all I brought with me: a hedge trimmer, a hand trimmer, and a Ryobi chainsaw for the thick branches. I started with a chainsaw first because these branches were definitely thick. At about 30 minutes in, this is where I'm at, looking much better. I stacked everything in a nearby spot so cleanup is fast and I'm not making a mess everywhere. Also, folks, what kind of plant is this? If you know, please drop it in the comments. The hedge trimmer handled cutting it without a problem. Now check these before and after pics. From this to this. And from this to this. Much better, right? Another 20 to 30 minutes later, everything went in the truck, strapped down tight. And one of my favorite features of the Cybertruck is the automatic tonneau cover. One click of a button and it closes right up, looking sleek. Nobody even knows I'm hauling a bunch of cut off branches. Lastly, I searched for my county's trash or yard waste drop-off, had my Cybertruck autonomously drive me to the location, and paid $13 to dump everything. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more home ownership content and DIY do-it-yourself repairs, maintenance, or renovation projects that can save you a ton of money.